Hello, guys, and thanks for tuning in to our series once again. Today, we're going to be deleting unnecessary sections and pages from our resort or accommodation website. So let's clean things up and get started. So, scroll through your page and see if there are any sections that you don't need. Say, for example, this one. I already have a section dedicated to reviews, so I think having this one would be repetitive. So to delete a section, click on it and simply hit the delete key on your keyboard, and it'll automatically be removed. Now let's go through how to delete a page. Go to Pages and Menu on the left and look for pages here that you don't really need. Say, for example, this one. Click on the three dot button next to the page you want to remove and select Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. So if you're sure, click on Delete to confirm. Now continue the same process for all of your other pages and sections that you don't need. Alternatively, if you don't want to delete a page and just hide it instead, you can click on it and select Hide from Menu. It'll not be deleted from your site, but it'll be hidden from your site users, so they won't be able to access it. You, however, can still access it here on the Wix editor. So go ahead and continue the process until you finish deleting all of the sections and pages that you don't need to ensure that you have a well-functioning and clean website. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.